basically, since you don't understand Forex, I just need this to be, if you understand, basically. Like, do you think somebody could understand this, or would it have to be, like, broken down? Like, would you understand that if I said, like, banks are right here, shoots up, comes down, obviously this is a price point, that's something that's very important, something very serious. So I'm gonna draw me a box. How about I just do this? Are you following? Okay. Because I need to know if you understand it, then other people will understand it.
I feel like the only people who are gonna understand this stuff who actually know about it.
No, I know, but if I'm just gonna show you.
For sure.
So basically, since you see this, me and you both see 3 blue bars going up. So since those 3 blue bars are going up on this price right here, 21,671, right over here, basically I would put an entry for whenever it comes back over here, I would take a buy. So basically, since price came down here, came up, broke through, that means banks already, when they came up here, they made their money. So now they're coming back down and they're selling off. The economy of the world is selling off. So since it's selling off, obviously the buyers took over, and if it comes back over here, what would you do? If price came over here, it broke through here, and it was in this area, what would you do?
Buy it?
You would buy, right? All right, so basically, I keep my box right here because this was an important part. So since this was an important price part, since it broke over here, I'm just gonna wait for it to come down right here. Since I'm waiting for it to come down here, I know it's gonna shoot up because it did it over here, and banks made buys go up. Buys go up.
Well, you're just hoping it does that.
I wouldn't say it. So I wouldn't say it's hoping. I would say it's more of history repeats itself. So I'm pretty sure if I make sure that this box goes all the way down, there's going to be some significance of something going on. So right here, boom, it just drops. So basically that means that this is a very, very important price. Like, there's a reason this price. So I could even be on the sell sides, but I don't want to be on the sell sides. I want to be on the buy side. Well, we're just over here on price over here. I would rather be on buy sides. So it's more of chance. I wouldn't say hope. I really wouldn't. The market's open right now, and we're looking pretty promising. But it was already a win because all I would do it for was 100 points, and that can just make you money. So yeah, I wouldn't call that hope. You know what I mean? When it's broke down, would you call it hope, or would you be like, they've done it already?
I mean, yeah, but you really never know because you could just make a dramatic drop that you weren't expecting.
That's why you put a stop loss. A stop loss is basically like, oh, if your price went under that, it'll cut you off the trade automatically. So you'll just lose like $10, $15, $20. So you took an L that day for $20, but you could potentially make $200, $300, $400. Understandable? All right.